Harley House, nestled in the coastal suburb of Avalon, is a celebration of landscape and architecture, seamlessly blending the natural with the built environment. Angus Wirth, with a deep understanding of the traditional suburban relationship between home and nature, has crafted a residence that challenges convention. Rather than turning its back on the surrounding environment, Harley House embraces its coastal setting, integrating the outdoors into its very core. The design is a harmonious assembly of interlocking spaces that mediate between the inside and out, all sheltered under a single, expansive roof. This thoughtful approach ensures that each internal space interacts with the landscape, creating a living experience deeply rooted in its surroundings. The home's orientation and design are meticulously planned to enhance the connection to its environment. Positioned to take full advantage of the northern sun, the house is also strategically shielded from the coastal winds, creating a comfortable and sustainable living space. The collaboration with housed architects resulted in a home that not only reflects the physical landscape but also resonates with the personal connections of its inhabitants. The design incorporates open garden areas within the structure, allowing natural light and ventilation to permeate the interior. These garden spaces provide moments of respite, breaking up the form of the house and bringing the outdoors inside. Central to the design is the shared fly roof structure, supported by a hardwood ribcage that gives the house its distinctive character. This ribcage supports protective sheets, while polycarbonate sheeting allows soft, natural light to filter into the home's interior. The choice of materials is deliberate. Precast concrete and timber are selected not only for their durability and low maintenance, but also for their ability to age gracefully in the coastal environment. The raw materiality of the house echoes the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape, creating a home that is both a part of and apart from its environment. Harley House is a home designed for generations, meant to evolve with its family over time. The removal of the traditional front fence symbolizes its openness and connection to the community, while operable windows and facade elements allow the house to breathe, adapting to the needs of its occupants. The flexible layout enables the house to be compartmentalized or expanded as needed, ensuring that it can grow and change along with the family it shelters. In every aspect of its design, Harley House is a reflection of its place, an embodiment of the unique relationship between people, architecture, and the natural world.